And then sprinkle a little bit of pumpkin spice on top. Hello my healthy friends, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today we are making a delicious pumpkin spice latte. 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. I have 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. That was 1. And now 2. Delicious. A teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Teaspoon of vanilla. Once you add the teaspoon of vanilla, you start whisking everything together, just like that. Low heat, guys, low heat. Bring the milk to a steam. 2 tablespoons of raw cane sugar, organic. And we're gonna mix together, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. Whisk all of this together. Everything smells really good right now. I wish you can smell it. OMG. I already brewed my coffee. I have it over to the side. This pumpkin spice latte is a simple and easy recipe. If you love these simple, easy recipes, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is completely free. If you love pumpkin lattes, give this video a what? Big thumbs up as well. Alright? Alright, that smells really good. Everything is completely blended together. Let's go ahead and make our latte. Let's go. Add a few ice cubes to this. To that, I have my coffee that I already brewed. I'm gonna add 1/2 cup. I will add my pumpkin spice mixture, our vegan pumpkin spice latte. This is 1 cup. Look at that. Woo! Oh, MG. Okay, it already looks so good. Look at that. I have some coconut whipped cream. Woo! And then sprinkle a little bit of pumpkin spice on top. Woo-wee! Simple, easy, delicious pumpkin spice latte. Look at that. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner. If you love this video, do what? Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Share this video with a friend. And say it with me. Stay healthy.